Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of Cookmas, where every day in December I'm sharing a new recipe. And today's recipe is from HelloFresh, and it's for Veggie Skewers. So this is how all the meals come. They're individual in their own little bags with all the ingredients. And for the most part, everything's measured out. Sometimes you do need to measure some of the seasonings, but they make it super easy. And I noticed recently in my grocery store and Target, they've started selling individual meals of HelloFresh, but it looks like they're always the meat options, which I've had in the past, but I really prefer the veggie ones. I wish they would do the veggie meals because I would totally buy those. So the first thing you do is always prep all your ingredients. So I have all my veggies chopped up and ready to go. I'm also adding some water and some stock. Then I'm going to start boiling for the couscous. And then in a bowl, I'm adding olive oil. And they sent a little bottle of white vinegar. So I'm going to measure that one out. Going to add some seasoning. And then some mustard. And this is what you're going to spread over all the veggies. So you can mix that together and set that aside for now. And by that time, the water was boiling for the couscous and that was ready to go. So I went ahead and added that in. And then started assembling my skewers. So this made a total of 4. Because the meals I get are for 2 people. You can also increase them to 4 people. So you get bigger portions if you'd like. So there's a lot of options. And you could preview the meals and skip a week if you don't think you want anything next week. So pretty handy. And then with that sauce I made, I had the mustard and the oil and the vinegar and the seasoning. I'm going to brush that all over the veggie skewers. Season it with some salt and pepper. And then I have some seasoning they gave me here, and I'm just going to lightly kind of dust it over them. And then put those in the oven. While those are cooking, I melted some butter and some olive oil together in a pan. And I'm going to add in some tomatoes and some corn. And let that cook for a moment. Then add in some more of that white vinegar. And the other packet of the honey mustard. And give that a mix. Then I'm going to add in the entire packet of the feta cheese. Some more seasoning. Season again with salt and pepper. And mix that up. And then by the time that's done, the couscous should be ready. So you just fluff it with the fork. And then add in some butter. A little bit of olive oil. And then I had some parsley that was chopped up. So I mix that around to the butter melted. Season with salt and pepper. You pretty much do that every step of the way for all the recipes. And then once the butter's melted, you're ready to plate it. So first you're going to start with the couscous. Then put some of the corn, tomatoes, and feta mixture on top. And then you can place 2 of the skewers on top of that. And this was so good. So that's the recipe I had for you today. If you'd like to try HelloFresh, I do have a promo code below that will save you some money. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.